Mine is...
Yeah, big guys, bro, big guys.
Concrete dreams where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light.
I got it here.
Oh no. You didn't bring coffee.
Should be enough, right?
Hopefully. No, like literally 2 small ones.
Did you clean the bigger one? I'm gonna burn the hand.
No, it's literally how you gonna ipatong? Ano ipapatong?
Because of the first one. I can see. No, can you wilding? Stop it.
Maybe later. Around 6, what do you think? Let's poke around.
Oh. Did it die? Yeah, that's why I'm...
Oil?
For what?
It's gonna burn, bro.
There you go.
Nice,
There you
good.
go.
Really?
Yeah.
There you go, really?
It's boiling water.
Is it rusty?
There's water in there?
Why you guys so quiet, bro? What the heck's happening?
Just relaxing.
Relax, yeah, okay. See you guys.
Just look at the fire, bro.
Yeah, bro. It's the fire, man.
What is this?
Can you pass me my phone?
Oh shit.
What do you need it?
You don't need phone if you're here. That's Kenny's thing.
It's rank hunter. It's rank hunter.
It's wrong country.
I don't even know where my phone is at.
Well, what do you need it for?
I just don't know. Do I have it? Do I not?
No reverse ko na lang yun.
Sunsets at 7:30.
Okay, we're good. We're good with Kenny.
Kenny's romantic as fuck, man. Sunset, bro?
He knows the spot, yo.
Yeah.
He knows the game.
Kenny's be like, I know a spot.
You know a spot.
So, nobody can hear you. That turned dark.
Bye, see you.
Ano eh? Nakasila kasi yung... Where we going? Left. Yeah, Kenny didn't get the one with the points. I know Kenny was gonna do this. Huh?
That's a squirrel, bro.
What cooking?
Look at this iPad kid.
Look at this iPad kid.
Yeah, I think so.
M1? What's the M1?
M1 chip.
M1
Pretty
chip?
fast, yeah.
Is it better than FTP?
Maybe 1 canoe, 1 paddleboard. 2 people in the paddle.
I'm going in.
Look for sticks for Robert.
What do you mean? No, it's for s'mores.
Oh, yeah, we gotta look for a stick for s'mores too, actually.
Rusty, welcome to Palawan.
Thank you for inviting me here.
Over there you can see a coron.
No spot.
Oh, you know. We're over here. Jarek and Robert were here.
Yeah. I remember.
That's what they are.
It's not bad.
Taste it. Taste it. Oh, I did you taste the water? You want to go, Rusty?
You can swim here
water?
tomorrow.
Can we switch footwear? Over there? That's what, yeah, I'm going to follow you guys. Just swim. Freestyle.
How far you wanna go?
1 T?
Actually. 1 T? I could probably do it. You can probably do it.
Yeah.
I was looking for a rock. It's not too flat, bro.
Yeah, you guys down to scale the river? Yeah. We'll get to the fork. All right, this one. 6 bounces. 4. Hey, maybe you can find a. You're left over there. Robert, I got you something. For your fire.
Oh, nice.
No, what do you mean? Look at, have you seen this?
No, it's nice.
Look at that.
Hold on to it. Hold on to it.
Look at that.
Hold on to it.
We're looking for sticks for marshmallow right now.
Yo, for marshmallows, bro.
Yo, what's up? You know me, son. You know me, son.
Put the marshmallow on, man.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to use to wood cut, bro. For wood cutting.
Let's bring this to the our campground. For wood cutting.
What is that stick for?
It's for candies. Oh.
Yes. You happy with your art, bro?
Continue, bro.
Yo.
Okay, blue one.
It's damaged.
We got more
Oh, damn.
stick for
Minus 5
raccoon.
damage.
Minus 5 damage for people. I mean, we got 4 good ones. We got 5 good ones.
You see yours?
No, I mean for marshmallows. Rusty, which ones? Wow, that smells like. What is this? A cabin?
Yeah. What do you think's in there? Yo, let's look for a
I guess they use this for winter, right?
spider in one of these. You follow the thread.
That's true. I got a water bottle pouch. Yo, I got a water bottle pouch.
Oh shit. Yo, this guy's living in 2024. Oh, Ramon's just YOLOing it, man. No gears. Oh. It's okay, he has the shield.
Yeah. These are
We shall name Ramon's name Alfred now. The staff of Alfred.
They're gonna hear.
This is me, Robert, working out.
Let me hear this already.
Keep yours. Yeah.
Bro, that's fucking long. That's like 3 sticks, bro. What should I?
Come on, bro. Yo, is it gonna take it? It's a video. It's not flash. Oh. Is over there. I think we were sitting at.
I wanna end up there. Bro, it's not. Do you wanna cross through the mountains?
No. We can cross right here.
And then what?
Nice, that's good. So, you for one at you, what do you want to do tomorrow morning? You gonna hike or?
We're really kind of hiking. We shall traverse these woods.
Come on, useless piece of shit.
We're back here again. We're here. Fire is on.
You will find my.
He's cutting wood.
Tomahawk.
Tomahawk.
Right now.
Go.
Don't do that. No, don't do that.
So you know it's a good fighter.
Yes, father.
Yeah. Never had it before?
Yeah.
You want DJ?
I'm so glad it's not that cold. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Mas malamig pa kahapon eh.
Apat ang gusto.
Ano?
Saturday.
So if you guys want to go to the tent tonight, spaceship, I'll be sleeping on the other side and moving up.
What's up, bro? Good morning, man.
There's nothing good about the morning.
That's true, right?
What about waking up next
Chef.
to her? What about waking up next to her, man?
How are you, chef?
I thought it would be dry.
So
everything- I realized-
everything is wet?
Yeah. Everything that we dried.
What? You don't put it what? See? You got it?
Has oil already.
Oh yeah. Oh, a towel. A towel. So they stole a towel, bro.
I'm not even gonna use it.
I don't need to use that. Just body. That was nice. Matt, you.
Oh no.
Come on, come on, come on. You. 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 Mine.
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 Yours.
Mine.
Oh shit. Your shit.
Nice. Nice.
Boy.
Yo, save.
Yoshi, come on, let's go, man. Let's go. That's doable.
Got it. Mine.
Yes. Someone. Right. Oh! No! Come on.
Oh shit.
Up here. No!
Oh, stop. We're about to go hiking and swimming.
I don't know.
You're actually gonna run bike. What do you say, Pam?
2 joints.
2 joints?
3 joints.
Yeah.
Putang ina na itong mga to.
Sabi ko kasi sa inyo eh. Oh.
I thought we're gonna walk.
No, because
Are we driving or walking?
we're swimming too, so.
This guy's so extra, man.
Robert.
I'm just gonna trim that one. I'm gonna wear a long hat.
I'll be with Robert.
You know?
You're with Robert. Hey, let's go.
What up, boys? What up, boys? The top of the mountain.
We're here now,
Yeah, I didn't.
starting to hike.
Yeah. 4 a.m. in the morning.
Go. No, what?
Is that over yet?
Alright.
Gang, gang.
What about there? How's the view there? Better. Better view. Come on, let's go.
Okay, move forward.
We're good. We're surviving.
I'm the hermit. I'm grabbing energy from the stick.
Wow. Nature energy. Nature energy.
Let's go.
Sightseeing. Right here.
Ito rin, nasa likod natin. Go, we go straight. Okay, behind me. Behind me. Go.
Yeah. Doing some Picasso stuff.
Another beautiful view.
See like a smoke.
Yeah, someone legit wrote
Here again. Finish our. Here again. Kenny and Ramon are getting on their boat. Yo, this way, this way.
Yo, we're gonna hit the rusty.
He's chilling, eh? He's chilling. Good paddle, good paddle. We're here. Very nice here. Woo, beautiful out here. There you go. That's the spot, yeah? We just landed and we're about to swim. Just back at the camp. We swam, Kenny and I. I'm about to cook again.
Just plug the USB in your phone.
The car needs to turn on too. That's the thing.
I think he has the middle one. That's always on.
Oh yeah? Yo!
Okay, don't toss it to me.
Or a farm.
You throw it?
Yeah.
Look at this. You've been scavenging, bro.
Taking him out to eat. Must be hungry. What? Is it like peanut butter? Or peanuts?
There's another one down here. So I climbed down the tree.
You're gonna fight. In the bag.
Cooking sinigang to eat later. We're still full from sausage. we're gonna go for another walk. We're back here setting up. We brought our chair for this nice view.